Kia ora te whānau. Well, it finally feels like we're coming out the end of a really hard few years with, first of all, COVID, as everyone's experienced, and then for Kōanga and our seed production, we've had everything has been really tough since the floods, or since COVID really. We've had several major floods. Actually, we've had 9 floods. And the overall kind of feeling about it all now is that maybe we're going to survive. It's been really hard for staff working in really difficult conditions. It's been really hard drying seeds over the summers when we had floods with no power, no road, no internet. We've had everything thrown at us in the last couple of years. But possibly, apart from the stress for the garden crew and rebuilding our team as a whole, it's been really interesting and challenging and stressful watching what happened to the soil, because all of our seeds here are grown in biological systems where we're feeding the fungi which feed the plants. And when this garden was a lake, there's no air in the soil for the fungi to survive, and so we really lost our microbes, we lost our fungi during the floods, and we've had to recover from that, and that has taken a big toll on our seed production, but it is recovering, and you know, there's air back in the soil now finally. I think for the first time in 2 years I can look out here and go, yes, things are happening again, things are humming, the roots are happy. So it's been like an almost impossible couple of years for Kōanga. Things have been really tough. I'm sorry for, you know, the way it may have affected you as our customers, but things are looking up, and the next video is going to be talking about all the amazing things that have come out of this really hard time. So I'm looking forward to that video and leaving this time behind us. Kia ora.